Number 1 seated barbell curl primarily target the bicep brachii with the secondary brachialis and brachiodialis muscle. Sit on a bench with your back straight and your feet firmly on the ground. Hold the straight barbell or easy bar with an underhand grip equally to shoulder width and raise the barbell on your thigh, keeping the elbow close to the body, and with the control form, lift the barbell toward your shoulder and then hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Lower the barbell back down in controlled manner, maintaining tension on the bicep throughout the movement. By doing it while sitting, you are able to keep the body stable. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 2 cable crucifix curl focusing on the brachialis and brachiodialis muscle. Attach the D handle at shoulder height on the both sides of the machine and stand in the middle of the machine and hold the handle with both hands, keeping the elbow stable and squeezing the bicep muscle. Curl the handle toward your shoulder, then slowly take the handle to the starting position and stretch the bicep muscle. Do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions while maintaining correct form. Number 3 barbell drag curl emphasizes the brachialis and brachiodialis with secondary of the bicep brachii. Stand straight holding the medium sized barbell at shoulder width, keeping the barbell close to the body. Slowly pull it up toward your chest. During this movement, keep your elbow toward the back of the body. Then after squeezing the bicep muscle, slowly bring in the barbell to the starting position with the same form. Do 4 sets of these and 10 to 12 repetitions and take a 1 minute rest after each set. Cross body dumbbell hammer curl. Work the brachialis, brachiodialis and bicep brachii. Perform this like a regular dumbbell hammer curl, but in this you have to do curl the dumbbell with the cross body. Hold the dumbbell in both hands from the neutral grip and stand straight, keeping your elbow close to the body. Curl the dumbbell diagonally across your body toward the opposite shoulder with the alternating hand. Then after squeezing the bicep and forearms muscle, slowly bring in the dumbbell to the starting position. Do 4 sets of these and 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. Number 5 machine preacher curl. Isolate the bicep brachii. Sit on a preacher curl machine with your upper arms on the pad and your chest on the support. Hold the handle of the machine with the both hands and with the control form, bring in the handle up toward your shoulder and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Then slowly bring in the handle down to the starting position. Keep your upper arms and elbows stable during this entire movement. If this machine is not available in your gym, then perform on this preacher bench with the easy bar and do 4 sets of it and 10 to 12 repetitions.